Our beauty and skincare expert wanted to dedicate an entire segment to skincare tips for breast cancer warriors as their needs may change during and even after treatment. Lynda Moore from Skinbar joins us now. Thanks so much for being here.
Thanks for having me.
Okay, this is so close to my heart. My mom is a breast cancer survivor, and people may or may not know that your skincare needs change during treatment.
And I don't know if your mom's skin ever went back to, I guess, normal, you know?
It definitely changed after the treatment. You know, she definitely had some like psoriasis, dry patches. So yeah, a lot of things that you don't expect when you're going through treatment.
The skin becomes very sensitive and also reactive, dry, dehydrated. So it is important to hydrate the body.
Yes.
And drink lots of water, of course, and then also a humidifier. I'm a big fan of the humidifier. It just amps up your hydration level.
Okay.
So, especially too in the dry climate that we have here in Las Vegas.
Oh, absolutely. So would you recommend like filling this up and going through an entire tank every single night, or would you run it continuously through the day as well?
I would recommend at nighttime. That's when your skin is resting.
Okay.
And you're able to absorb more hydration.
Oh,
so
good to know.
Yeah.
Okay, so humidifier, what else should we be doing?
So I'm a big fan of ToGoSpa, and I know I've mentioned them before. They're the ones with the under eye masks that I absolutely love. They're also a local company in Las Vegas. Well, the owner, Jana, is also a breast cancer survivor, and when she was going through treatments, her skin was also very dry and cracked heels and all of that. So they have a couple new products. This is actually called head to toe, knee to toe collagen. Yeah, you put it on, you kind of slip it on, and it'll help with the cracked heels and hydrate the whole leg area, knees to toes mask.
I love it. Looks like a Christmas stocking.
I know, isn't it great?
Yeah.
And then also third eye. Now this is going to help with your forehead, but it also, let me put one on you.
Yes, please do.
Okay. Whoops, wrong way. So it also is great to just meditate when you're stressed. Yes. And on the back of the box, there's a QR code that will help you through a guided meditation.
Oh.
So it's really cool. I listened to it the other day.
Do I look like a superhero? Because I feel like one.
Or Star Wars or something, yeah.
Okay.
Something crazy.
I like it. I'm going to leave this on for the rest of the segment because it feels so nice.
Yeah,
it feels really nice.
And then Elastin has a Soothe and Recovery Balm. I love throwing this on my lips too, but when you're going through cancer treatments, try this on your hands. When you're going through cancer treatments, your skin is very dry and itchy. So this also has a natural hydrocortisone that will help to alleviate itchiness and dryness.
And that's
do you need some more?
On the other hand, and that's like inflammation too, right?
Inflammation, and it's great on the lips. It's awesome. I use it on the lips all the time. So moisturize, moisturize, moisturize. And then, of course, sunblock. Now, a lot of medications make your skin sensitive to UV rays. So, and I've seen it. I've seen how reactive the skin can be. So, Is Clinical, they have a whole program for breast cancer survivors and what they're going through. So, Is Clinical is one of my favorite sunscreens. It's an all physical sunscreen, so it doesn't have any chemicals, which is so important in a sun protection product.
And also when you're going through cancer treatment, I mean, you definitely don't want to be adding anything extra.
No.
You know. Okay.
But you need that protection, yes.
Lynda, thank you so much. Anything else before we go?
No, I mean, just really hydrate the skin. It's so important to hydrate the skin. It'll make your skin glow and make you feel good.
SPF, oh yeah, and this little spa thing on my forehead feels great. Lynda, thank you so much. We've got those tips on your screen, and you can find out more at skinbaronline.com, and more. We'll be right back.